articles inside the bin, especially cell phones. You do not want to take your cell phone on this ride. The phantom will eat them and he doesn't like to give them. All clear. Purple train, clap once, clap twice. Now keep clapping because you are out of here.
There, I got my head.
Welcome back, Purple Train. How was that ride? Oh, so good that you guys were left speechless. When the train comes to a complete and final stop, you may push down, then pull up on your safety bars. Exit to the right. Don't forget any loose items you may have left behind and enjoy the rest of your day. Here at Kennywood, oncoming riders, you may now board this train. Please place all loose articles inside the purple bins, especially cell phones.